What is up, everyone? So today I'm going to unbox CanvasChamp. It is another online printing service that's relatively cheap, and I thought I'd give them a try and unbox it for you guys. Never tried it. They didn't pay me for this, so this is going to be all honest. On Facebook they have a 3.2 out of 5 stars. On their website they have a 4.9, I believe, out of 5 stars, so we'll see which one's correct. They had an incredible deal. It was buy one canvas and get the second one totally free. And I got two 24 by 36 canvases, so I only paid for one and the shipping. And for these two to ship out to me, it only costed $49. So that's pretty great savings, and let's see what they look like. So as far as I can see right now, the packaging is insanely nice. I'm not really noticing anything really major to point out in terms of defects, but let's just keep going with this and see what it's like. Alright, so I finally got one done, and now it is time for the reveal. The other one's still in plastic. So there it is. Not too bad. I think that's actually a dust spot on my sensor that I didn't catch. Colors are definitely nice. Looks to be some handprints right there. But here it is. I'm not sure if the camera can see it all. But I mean, for $49 for both of these, I really can't complain. I can't really find much. There's just a little bump right there. Like I said, that's my dust spot. That's my bad right there. And some fingerprints. Not for me. I saw that right when I opened this. But wow, I mean, definitely for $49 for a 24 by 36, that is pretty nice. So we will open up the other one now, and there we go. And once again, I am insanely surprised and pleased with their printing. And again, I am not paid to do this. I'm not sponsored by them or in any way. I bought these myself the other day, and I just wanted to show you guys what the quality is. And I mean, wow. This is really nice. I don't see anything. It feels like a little bump right there. Other than that, yeah, just one bump right there, but I don't think you can even see it. That is nice. Alright, so side by side, there's the first one, and then here's the second one. And I'm very, very happy with the results from these. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing review, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe, comment below any questions, any suggestions for new videos. Check out my website and also my Instagram, all links below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.